Ford has recently unveiled the 2025 Ford F-150 Lobo, a striking revival of the street truck legacy that channels the spirit of the legendary SVT Lightning. Built on the STX trim with a SuperCrew cab and a 5.5-foot bed, the Lobo, meaning wolf in Spanish, combines aggressive styling, robust VA performance, and urban-focused dynamics. Available for order now and arriving in U.S. dealerships in fall 2025, the Lobo starts at $59,995, including a $4,695 package and a $2,195 destination charge. This truck carves a unique niche in the full-size pickup market, appealing to enthusiasts craving a factory-built street machine. The F-150 Lobo's design screams attitude, crafted by Ford designer Josh Blundo, a street truck aficionado. Its rear suspension is lowered by 2 inches, complemented by a 10-piece ground effects kit that gives it a slammed, muscular stance. The front fascia features a gloss black mesh lowered grille, an upper grille with an integrated LED light bar, and a sculpted cowl hood with black vents, evoking classic muscle car vibes. Exclusive 22-inch gloss black wheels, shod with Bridgestone Olenza all-season tires, enhance its bold look, while blacked-out badges, exhaust tips, and trim add menace. Available in agate black, Atlas blue, carbonized gray, Oxford white, or rapid red, the Lobo is a visual standout. Powering the Lobo is a 5-liter V8 Coyote engine, producing 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 2-speed automatic 4-wheel drive system and a 3.73 electronic locking rear differential. While the dual exhaust delivers a throaty run, the powertrain mirrors other F-150 models, lacking the extra punch some expected, like a supercharger or performance tuning. Critics note the steering and brakes, though capable, don't match the sporty aesthetic. Still, the Lobo balances performance with utility, towing up to 7,900 pounds and carrying a 1,450-pound payload, slightly less than the standard STX due to its lowered setup. Inside, the Lobo retains the STX's practical cabin, but adds flair with cloth seats featuring yellow contrast stitching and a leather-wrapped console lid. A 12-inch digital gauge cluster and a 12-inch Sync 4 touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures seamless connectivity. Standard safety features, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, borrow from higher trims, enhancing driver confidence. While not as luxurious as the Lariat, the Lobo's interior strikes a balance between functionality and style, ideal for daily urban driving. Priced between the XLT and Lariat, the Lobo targets buyers seeking a factory-tuned street truck without aftermarket modifications. It stands out in the full-size segment, where competitors like the Chevy Silverado RST lean less aggressively into street performance. Ford's focus on mod-friendly parts makes the Lobo a canvas for customization, backed by a full warranty. Built in Dearborn, Michigan, the 2025 F-150 Lobo redefines the street truck for a new generation, blending bold design with practical capability.